had ye ka a year and kunyam ye no edigana so a NDC and the MPP. One more dogs panels, one more a year cuckoo damn for. Where to and away to a every one. Head is one me, one more can with dear, one more united me pija, and bed dear kunya influence, and the NDC and MPP dear. One more digana so, ye said cheddar. Eba be dear from some amaye ye shala because if you don't call ebe ye ya went to me and I would your mark can so be ye to see a day if I said cheddar baby na ya soft for ni bi ha wo mu yi obonim e bi se me when this e bi wa MPP Samson na celebrities ni bi ha hwe enu be ma John Dumela wonu so yi nanim se o ye NDC ni sa na Afia Schwar ne ganso wonu so yi nanim se wonu de o ye MPP ni na we na Bukom Banku yes what di into to be a money a year Afia Schwar se be obetrem fidie so a ene to money party or to be the money NDC for and am se Bukom Banku so wo NDC nti what the one kese pa beto am Afia se Afia sorry a ono de nkrofo secret ene okita wona boss nwate kire a obi antumi kana no ntum wo ma Afia won ni se mposi wonim na so betrem fidie so e de NDC fo mpanifo anim ye fom a wono Bukom Banku secret no wono so wo kitafia de do so poche wono so na boso mti Afia nka na no antuma wono so di Afia ntuma e ba besoro ase abontim obia etienti woni ode ma Afia no me enti Bukom
Afia Schwar see the eagle Afia see the eagle Afia, if you don't stop the way you insult Mama in the country, I'll come out to insult you. Afia, if you don't stop the way you insult Mama in the country, I'll come out to insult you. I go insult you to kill your morale in the nation. I'll kill your superstar in the nation. If you like, for let's bet, insult Mama again, make her hear you. Bye. Afia Schwar, bra. Free America no bra Ghana who so. Afia bra na me chung. Afia Afia Ashawo. Well, you are twist. It's a gaze. You are twist, they fucking do now. You are picking twist. But you know they are again. If you say you are lady, come out. If you come out, I shower, come. What, you love be mama. Who? There are people you know in this country, ask them that they are love be mama. Mama is coming out. Mama is coming with the president 2024, whether rain or shine.
Free SHS any day, any time. You better choose free SHS any day, any time. Any day, any time. You better choose free SHS any day, any time. Over free cars, over enriching yourselves. Over enriching your pockets. Munkoya Juma. Ghana celebrities. Mon sorry, na Munkoya Juma. Monfa Monsa, Enya Juma. Kuma would you know? My husband is sitting right here. My husband. Honey. Come and give me 5. Fabetu. One fan to my cotton and maybe actually. My husband is sitting right here. My husband. I love you, baby.
I love you.
I'm not going to have you. Say, whom you go. May how? Is that casa? See, from what is your way? You have no shame, and you are using your data to watch somebody who have no shame. So you are the shameless of the shameless. Who feel fuck. And to the American, the mammy will cock out with TV. Entro. Can you see his face? Oh no, what do you know see in his face? Entro. Or muchantro. We will not allow them to lie. And free SHS every day. Free SHS every day.
Ah, yeah. Hey, Zoo. Hey, Za. Hey, Befa. Miam. Mama say, yeah. Mama, oh, hey. Mama, oh, hey. Nah, let me drink water this morning. Nanado, this is the first and last warning in this nation. You and Baumia, you people are spoiled the nation. Nana, you people, you spoil the nation from 2016. You can't fix the country. You, Nana, you be like your father. You are like a father. You can't fix the country very well. And you say you come to break the hate. And about me also say, ye fasty ani mami, ye fasty ani mami, ye fasty ani mami. Kwe, about me, ye disti anu mawe. Infana ubelodu. What village na ubeko? Or what country do you like to go? Who to me ko baby ha? Come on, Ghana skanu. You and the Nakufado, you bombo crap, Ghana money. Right now, Ghana no have money. Ghana are no have anything. Ghana Japadia, more saying na, more turning na, uko ananato, including moto win anato. Nana per se, China for over control airports. Nana, you still say we are fooling Ghana. You still say the youth are fooling in Ghana. What kind of nonsense be that? Nana, you people, let me tell you, don't shout in Ghana. Don't shout it. Election will they go to the 24. You, Nana Adodanko Akufa, you about me, you lose it totality. It not be total. Oh, you lose the election totality. You don't see Tamale campaign. See the people. See the printed people are there, Mama.
Yeshua say Afia Schwar de say yenti obi ansoro bia. Yehwe say what the Bukom Banku na no ye bebre na update no ye de bebre makra.